Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to Windows Fixer with another tutorial guide. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to reset Windows 10 updates with one click. Now the method is simple friends, but the thing is when and how did the Windows update issues occur? Number one, few people will say the issues occurred suddenly due to the PC shutting down unexpectedly or for no specific reason. And number two, on the other hand, some friends might say the issue started after watching Windows optimization tutorials. Well, first thing first, I always say in every video to make a restore point. We don't know when something might happen. I mean, sometimes when we change Windows settings, we know the pros of those specific settings, but not the cons. And this way, many issues can arise. Always make a restore point periodically so that whenever you face issues, you can restore to that working restore point. Now here's the way how you can do that. Simply click on the Windows icon, go into the settings. Once you are here, simply you can search here restore point. Now click on the create restore point and a window will pop up. Now simply you need to choose the specific driver where you want to create a restore point. Always choose the restore point where you have enough space. So in my case, I have already choose the C drive. First you need to click on the configure and make sure turn on system protection and then click on OK. And then click on the create restore point. Now you can choose any name like restore working point or whatever, you can just type here and then click on creating a restore point. Now it will take only a few minutes or seconds and that's it. The restore point was created successfully. Now whenever you are facing any issues, just again search for restore point, then go into the system restore point and then choose a different restore point. Now here you can see the description that I just put in working point. Just choose it and click on next, so it will restore your PC on the working point, and that's it. Now my first solution is for those who might be facing this issue suddenly without applying any settings. What you can do here guys, simply click on the Windows icon, then click on the search icon and then search here for services .msc and then hit enter to open the services. Once you are here, just select any service and press W until you will get here the Windows update, and then double tap on it, go into the properties, make sure startup type should be automatic and then hit apply and okay. And if it's running, then first you need to click on stop and then again start, and now restart your PC. This will probably solve your issues. Number two, make sure you are using the correct time zone and time. So right click on the clock on the taskbar, adjust date and time, and first set the time automatic. Just uncheck this option and synchronize your time according to your time zone. Choose here and then sync now. Once you have done this, set the time automatically and then close it. Now you can try again. This will solve your issues guys. If still you are facing, once again click on the Windows icon, go into the settings, this time update and security, and then click on the troubleshoot. Now go into the additional troubleshooters and then find here the Windows update. Probably you will get here the get up and running Windows update. Click on Windows update, run the troubleshooter. Now once you found the issue, just go into it and look, check for Windows update, detect issues related to the Windows update. All right, other issues are solved. So it's already solved. You can see resolve Windows update issues, resolve common Windows update issues. Now you can restart your PC and your problem should be fixed 100%, right? Hopefully. And then click on next and then close it. Now restart your PC, your problem should be fixed. Now before starting the second step, guys, I will advise you, please, the mostly issues occur for those who might download games from third-party websites, especially the ocean of games which cause issues with your PC, because they often modify those files to breach your data. They disable your Windows update, your Windows security system, and make your PC vulnerable and easy to hack. There's a process to clean up malware, and I will make a guide on that specific topic soon. But for now, if you mess up with the registry or GPedit, then try this method. It will fix your problem 100%. What you need to do here, again, click on the Windows search icon, then search for PowerShell. Once you get here the Windows PowerShell, on the right side you will see here the run as administrator. Just launch it, and now you need to paste this code over here, the command, and then hit enter. Okay guys, after launching this tool, you can download the specific thing that you want. Otherwise, we are going here into the configuration, and now here you will see the reset Windows update and also reset network. You need to perform these two actions. Just click on that and it will perform all the actions for you automatically. It will repair your registry files, your GPedit, and after that you need to restart your PC. Your problem should be fixed. One more thing, mostly pupils do optimization for better performance. So in that case, go into the updates. So that's the highly recommended, guys. Just always get the security updates at least, so you will never face any malware issues. What you need to do here, simply you need to click on this and recommended updates settings loaded, and this will apply all the settings for you. And after doing this, simply you need to restart your PC. Your problem should be fixed 100%. Now if you want to disable other services or functions of Windows update but still want security updates, then try this method. I hope you loved today's video and it helped you a lot. If you have specific question, please make sure to drop your comments. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.